Managing your money just got a whole lot easier in 2025 thanks to powerful budgeting apps designed to automate your finances and help you stay on track effortlessly. Whether you want to track spending, set savings goals, or get real-time alerts, these apps use smart technology to simplify budgeting like never before. In this guide, we'll explore the best budgeting apps available right now, tools that can transform how you handle your money and make financial peace of mind a reality. Today we will talk about best budgeting apps in 2025 to automate your finances. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. Why budgeting apps matter in 2025? In 2025, managing personal finances has become more important than ever due to rising living costs, complex financial products, and the need for smarter money management. Budgeting apps have evolved from simple trackers to powerful automation tools that help users gain complete control over their money. These apps connect securely with your bank accounts, credit cards, loans, and investment accounts, providing real-time insights into spending, saving, and debt repayment. By automating bill payments, categorizing expenses, and forecasting future financial trends, they reduce the stress of manual budgeting. Moreover, AI-powered budgeting apps analyze your income and spending patterns to offer personalized recommendations and financial tips. For millennials and Gen Z who prefer digital solutions, these apps simplify money management on smartphones and desktops alike. Whether your goal is to save for a house, reduce debt, or build an emergency fund, budgeting apps help you stay accountable and on track effortlessly, making financial discipline accessible to everyone in 2025. 2. Key features to look for in budgeting apps. Choosing the right budgeting app in 2025 involves evaluating several crucial features. First, security is paramount. Look for apps with bank-level encryption and multi-factor authentication to safeguard your financial data. User-friendly interfaces and customizable dashboards ensure a seamless experience. Automatic transaction categorization saves time and increases accuracy, while real-time notifications alert you about bill due dates, unusual spending, or low balances. Look for apps with goal setting and progress tracking features that motivate you to stick to budgets and savings plans. Integration with multiple accounts, including credit cards, loans, and investments, offers a holistic financial picture. Some apps provide ad-driven insights, suggesting where to cut expenses or optimize savings. Additionally, options for bill payment automation and subscription management prevent late fees and unwanted recurring charges. Finally, cross-platform availability on mobile, web, and even smartwatch apps ensures you can manage finances anytime, anywhere. These features combined make budgeting apps indispensable in the 2025 financial landscape. 3. Mint, a veteran player with modern upgrades. Mint remains a top contender in 2025 for those seeking a reliable free budgeting app with a comprehensive feature set. Owned by Intuit, Mint offers bank-level security and syncs with thousands of financial institutions. It automatically tracks and categorizes expenses, creates budgets, and monitors bills, providing a complete financial overview in one place. Mint's recent upgrades include AI-driven financial coaching that analyzes spending habits and suggests personalized saving tips. Users can set custom alerts for overspending or upcoming bills, reducing missed payments. Mint's investment tracking feature allows users to monitor their portfolio performance and retirement savings. The app also provides credit score monitoring and recommendations for credit improvement. Its user-friendly design suits both beginners and experienced budgeters. While free, Mint's revenue comes from personalized financial offers, which some users may find intrusive. Nevertheless, its comprehensive automation, security, and continuous feature upgrades make Mint a solid budgeting choice in 2025. 4. YNAB, you need a budget. Master your money with discipline. You need a budget, popularly known as YNAB, focuses on proactive budgeting principles and education, ideal for those serious about financial control. In 2025, YNAB continues to thrive by emphasizing 4 rules. Give every dollar a job, embrace true expenses, roll with the punches, and age your money. Its app syncs securely with bank accounts, but encourages manual entry and adjustments to foster mindful spending. YNAB's strength lies in its educational resources, webinars, and community support that empower users to understand cash flow and break paycheck-to-paycheck cycles. The app features real-time tracking, goal setting, and robust reporting tools. Its methodology suits users aiming to build emergency funds, pay down debt, or save for major goals. Though it requires a subscription fee, many users find the investment worthwhile due to YNAB's unique approach and ability to cultivate financial discipline. In 2025, YNAB remains a favorite for those wanting to take budgeting beyond automation into active money management and mindset transformation. 5. PocketGuard. Simplify your spending control. PocketGuard caters to users who want a simple, automated way to avoid overspending and build savings without complex budgeting rules. The app links to your accounts to track income, bills, and spending in real time. Its standout feature, In My Pocket, calculates how much money you can safely spend after accounting for bills, goals, and necessities. This helps users resist impulse purchases and stay within limits effortlessly. PocketGuard's clean interface provides clear visuals of spending categories, recurring bills, and upcoming payments. The app also flags subscriptions and recurring charges that users may want to cancel to save money. PocketGuard's AI-driven insights suggest personalized ways to save and optimize expenses. It offers a free version with basic features and a premium tier, unlocking deeper analytics and more budgeting flexibility. For busy individuals who want quick financial clarity and automation in 2025, PocketGuard is an excellent choice. 6. Simplify by Quicken. A modern take on financial management, Simplify, developed by the trusted Quicken brand, is a modern budgeting and money management app designed for 2025's fast-paced world. It automatically aggregates your financial accounts, categorizes transactions, and provides a simple, intuitive interface optimized for mobile devices. Simplify stands out by offering customizable spending plans and watch lists, letting users track specific categories or subscriptions. Its cash flow projections forecast your financial position weeks ahead, helping you avoid shortfalls. Simplify also helps identify upcoming bills and provides spending alerts to keep users on track. With strong security protocols, including biometric login options, it ensures your data stays protected. The app syncs with thousands of banks and financial institutions, consolidating all your financial info in one place. Simplify's subscription model includes a free trial, followed by affordable monthly or annual fees. 7. Clio, the AI-powered budgeting assistant. Clio is one of the most innovative budgeting apps in 2025, combining AI chatbots with personal finance management to make budgeting interactive and engaging. Users connect their bank accounts securely, and Clio uses natural language processing to answer questions, track spending, and provide tips via chat. For example, you can ask, "How much did I spend on dining last month?" Or, "Can I afford this purchase?" Clio responds instantly with data-driven advice and alerts. The app gamifies saving by offering challenges and rewards, encouraging positive financial habits. It also provides budgeting recommendations based on spending behavior and goals, while allowing users to set limits and monitor progress. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe.